Jai Hind. I am Major Ved Prakash Sharma. I've served in Indian Army for 16 years from 1985 to 2001, and after that for 16 years in corporate sector in technology companies like Ericsson, Nokia, Cisco, Airtel, etc. In 2017, along with two of my friends from Cisco and a retired brigadier, we started Gratitude Farms. When we started, we had a vague idea that we want to help the ex-soldiers to gain dignified livelihood or entrepreneurship. And we traveled, met hundreds of them, and worked on various experiments and finally converged on organic farming as a means to help retired soldiers take up organic farming as a means of their livelihood in their own villages.
So one of our aims was that we should help ex-army soldiers in settling down after their retirement. Most of them retire at the age of 35 when they need some money and some support. They are basically from farming backgrounds, but their stint in the army, they've forgotten the farming part. So we step in to either lease their land or help them grow their own produce on their land and finally market it.
You see, organic farming is no longer a matter of choice. It's become a mandatory requirement. If this country doesn't move to massive organic farming, both the agriculture as well as on the consumer side, from a purely health point of view, we are in trouble. The demand for food is rising, the irrigable land is reducing, the water table is going down, the massive usage of pesticides, fertilizers, chemicals is burning the land and is making it unirrigable every passing year. It's a crisis unfolding in front of our eyes, hidden in plain sight, and whatever we may do may well be a case of too little too late. Well, there is no such thing as too little too late. There is never too late a time. We must start. So that's where this whole thing converged. We learned about organic farming from some prolific farmers across the country and have set up a model farm with a concept what we call the food forest, which takes up all the principles of traditional organic farming in a small piece of land, something as low as 2 acres. The staggering of the calendar of plantation, it ensures that throughout the year we are harvesting something every day. The whole idea is to generate maximum yield and hence maximum economic value for the small farmer who is practicing it. In good measure, we have been able to work on integrating technologies for water management, technologies for optimization, for monitoring, and the process discipline. Most of our farmers and farm managers are ex-soldiers, and discipline comes to them naturally. For us, it is a very proud activity. We are so delighted that we are helping soldiers to serve the nation even after their retirement. In the process, they also, many of them, become the change makers of organic farming in their own village. So from an economic or a livelihood point of view, it comes across as a wonderful opportunity.
In the food forest model, there are certain design guidelines that we have adopted. It is optimized for 1 acre. The model is standard and it can be taken to any part of the country. At the outer layer of 1 acre, we split the 1 acre into 4 plots. The outer area of each plot is reserved for fruit trees. The next layer is of trellis-based plants. The third one is for plants like tomato, chili, brinjal, beans, etc. And in the center, in the end, is the greens area. So we've got 4 layers: fruit trees, trellis-based plants, plants and greens. A combination of these with a staggered planting schedule and a highly disciplined operation where the pest and nutrition management is taken care can give yield of up to 15 to 18 tons per year from second year in this particular model.
There's a deeper dimension to our taking up of organic farming. Probably I could not have said this a year back, but now that we are working in this field every single moment of our lives, I can say this, that every acre of land that we can convert to organic is a service to Mother Earth. Every acre of land that I can convert to organic, I've snatched it away from chemical farming and in this small way contributed to our nation's progress. Jai Hind.